नई नई नौकरी लगी थी और दोस्तों के कहने पर मैंने कुछ स्टॉक्स में अपने सारे सेविंग्स इन्वेस्ट कर दी। सोचा कि कुछ ही टाइम में पैसा डबल हो जाएगा, पर कंपनी का स्टॉक वैल्यू गिर गया और मेरे सारे सेविंग्स चले गए। दोस्तों ने फिर कहा, थोड़ा होल्ड कर, कि क्या पता फिर से कंपनी की स्टॉक वैल्यू बढ़े एज पर द प्रीवियस ट्रेंड्स और तेरे पैसे बच जाए। एंड गेस व्हाट, वही हुआ। इस एपिसोड से मुझे एक चीज तो जरूर समझ में आई कि स्टॉक मार्केट में अगर रिटर्न अच्छा है तो रिस्क भी उतना ही अच्छा है। However, when we usually plan to invest our money, the first thing we often hear is the stock market, especially if you have not learned enough about finance or investing. But trust me, investment is much more than that. If you have been earning for a few years or are fresh out of a job but don't know how or where to invest in the current financial climate, you have arrived at the right place. Hello everyone, my name is Anish and in this video, I can give you some of the good ways in which you can begin your investment journey. Here, you can also learn how to capitalize on your income and build more wealth. So let's jump right in. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for some amazing finance content. So guys, before we start investing, we need to be clear about our goals. Usually people invest to protect themselves and their families, get long-term returns and get high returns on high-risk investments. As beginners, you must have a definitive idea about your goal and you must ensure that the investments take care of the different facets of your life. Goal 1. Securing family against life uncertainties like death or critical illnesses, etc. Among the key asset classes to be considered in financial planning is life insurance. I have observed that a large number of people don't consider life insurance purchase when planning their finances and are often unprotected from unexpected life events. This should never be the case though. So, I would suggest when you're on your financial planning journey, insurance is the first thing to consider. Let's talk about one of the most crucial types of life insurance, that is term insurance. Term insurance is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for a specific period of time such as 10, 20, 30 years or more. During this time, if the insured person experiences a covered event such as serious illness, disability or death, they may be eligible to receive a payout from the policy. However, if the policy term expires and the insured person has not experienced a covered event, the coverage ends and there is no payout. In this, the most important event is death, wherein if unfortunately something happens to you, then your life insurance company will give your family the money you have been insured for. It's like a safety net that gives you peace of mind knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what. In term insurance, you pay a small amount of money each month for a set amount of time, such as 20 years. If you pass away during that time, your family receives a payout to help them out. If not, your coverage ends. In short, term insurance बहुत important है और किसी को भी इसके बिना नहीं रहना चाहिए. This helps you to reduce the financial risk that your family might face when you pass away. And therefore, this should ideally be your first step when you are about to begin your investment journey. Goal 2. Saving for your future. Once you have done covering your bases, you can consider saving for your future goals. A well-curated financial plan should help you achieve just that. It would allow you to take a more holistic approach towards your financial goals, keeping your cash flows, liabilities, and other priorities in mind. With this goal in mind, you can start making affordable, regular, and disciplined savings towards your important life goals such as purchasing a home, planning for your child's education, or planning for your comfortable retirement. Now, let's talk about the financial instruments that can help you achieve this goal. Guaranteed savings life insurance. It is a type of life insurance where your money grows at a guaranteed rate, and if something were to happen to you, your policy would continue and your family will get the maturity amount at the end of the policy term. For instance, if Mr. Sharma is a 25-year-old who has taken the insurance for say like 10 years, they have to pay a premium during this term. If something were to happen to Mr. Sharma, his nominee would get the premium amount and the interest based on the plan you choose. One more important thing to note is Guaranteed savings life insurance gives you dual benefits. That is, it will help you get guaranteed returns on your investment and will also cover your life for a specific term that will secure your family once you pass away. So guys, if your goal is to get guaranteed returns on your investments, then this is where you need to invest. Next, we have fixed deposits or FDs. अपने अपने घर में पापा और चाचा से FD वर्ड बहुत बार सुना होगा, पर FD क्या है? इसमें पैसा कैसे जमा करते हैं? FD तोड़ते क्यों हैं? Don't worry, I've got answers for you. Fixed deposits are like a savings account with a high interest rate. You deposit a certain amount of money with the bank for a fixed period of time, and in return, the bank pays you a fixed interest rate on your deposit. For example, if you invest 10,000 in a fixed deposit for 1 year at a 5% interest rate,
you will earn 509 rupees as interest by the end of the year.
Fixed deposits are considered to be safe because they are covered by DICGC, that is, all deposits up to 5 lakhs are insured by the government if the bank goes bankrupt. No effect of market fluctuations and there is no depreciation on the principal amount. Next, PPF is a type of investment where you put in small amount of money every year, starting with just 500 rupees. You have to keep the money invested for 15 years and cannot withdraw it before that time. The interest you earn on the investment is added to the initial amount and the total amount earns interest the following year. This is called compounding. You can invest up to 1.5 lakh per year. It's a good long-term investment option if you're looking for a safe way to grow your money over a long period of time. सबसे best part ये है कि PPF का interest tax calculations में exempt हो जाता है. मतलब you do not have to pay taxes on your interest when you withdraw the money after 15 years. With the PPF investment, you can say, I'm an investor. If you look at PPF, mutual funds and FDs, they are meant to give you a return in the long term. Whereas, if you look at term insurance, it protects you and your family and can also act as emergency funds. Since you are a beginner, these are some of the places where you can invest your money in 2023. Once you get used to this, you can enter directly into high risk and high return investment tools such as the stock markets and cryptocurrencies. Besides these, you can also invest in the real estate market, gold market, and a whole lot more. Goal 3, wealth creation. Once your saving goals are taken care of, now you can focus on creating some wealth. Financial instruments that will enable these are mutual funds. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. ये आपने काफी ads में सुना होगा, but what exactly are mutual funds? They are essentially a way to invest in stocks indirectly without having to do complete detailed research. When you invest in mutual funds, you're putting your money into a group of different companies instead of just one. These companies might have a common goal or work in the same industry. Instead of choosing which companies to invest in yourself, you give your money to a fund manager who makes those decisions for you. They choose where to invest your money with the goal of earning you as much money as possible. Sounds a bit complex, right? Let me give you an example. Let's say you and your friends have some money to invest, but you don't want to buy stocks directly because it's too expensive and requires a lot of research. Instead, you pool your money together and give it to a fund manager who invests it into different companies in the tech industry. This way, you can afford to buy stocks in those companies and any profits made are shared among all of you and so are the losses. It's like a team effort to make money by investing in big companies without having to do all the research and buying stocks individually. That's why it's good to start with mutual funds before you move on to stock markets. सही बात हुआ ना? Now let's look into the other option, unit-linked life insurance. This investment option in India offers dual benefits of insurance and market investments, which helps you systematically grow your money. You can choose the most suitable policy tenure based on whether you prefer long-term or short-term investment options. Additionally, ULIP also offers tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Unit-linked life life insurance is a mix of mutual funds and insurance policies. A part of the money you deposit will be used as premium for the insurance, and the other half will be used as an investment in the pool of assets which other policy holders also have invested into. So, with your earnings and the right investment, you can start building your wealth and get ahead in your investment journey. If you like this video and want to dive deeper into the world of finance, subscribe to our channel. Also, please do let us know in the comments below which topic you would want us to pick next. Till then, this is Anish signing off. Stay safe and invest smartly.